Hi, my name's Landon. I'm here with Jake and his 2022 F250 here. Why don't you tell us a little bit?
I'm Jake. I'm the owner of State Line Diesel, Rival Fab. This is our SEMA build for this year. It's a full custom one-of-one lift kit. It's a 28 to 48 inch lift kit. And there's really not a piece of this build that hasn't been touched. I mean,
Everything's custom.
From our diff covers, our oil pan, our trans pans, all of the PPE stuff.
All this is all special coated PPE, trans pan.
So everything is powder coated in-house.
Oil pan.
The only thing that was not powder coated in-house was the frame, because our ovens don't fit that.
Yeah, of course.
My guys, I mean, they do a phenomenal job, and so I mean, it's really a testament to their work. So, like all of these right here, like all of this it's not wrapped. You'll see the PSC,
right over the well,
oil filters, the fast system. All of it is painted in-house. All of our color matching is done in-house. I mean, everything. I mean, there's.
And that's RF.
Yeah, so that's Rival Fab. That's
okay.
That's my partner. My partner Brandon. He is our fabrication. That's our lift kit brand.
All your design.
Yeah, we do lift kits for Dodge and Ford right now. Anything from a level up to a 30-inch bolt-on kit. And then it features our 4.0 carbon shocks. So last year, I got
with 3.0 reservoirs.
Yeah. I got together with Daniel last year, and I just told him, I said, look, man, like I want to do something different than anybody else has got. So we have this set up here. We have the same bag set up with a remote reservoir, and then we also have a 4.0 quad bypass coilover.
Coilover, you said, yeah. That's amazing.
So,
oh, it's very clean, and all the craftsmanship it's really the fit and finish is just.
Yeah, I mean, I wish we could get up and go underneath the hood, but I mean, it's got
just can't really see up there.
It's a full no limits kit underneath the hood. It's got it's 68 to 72.
Okay.
Non-VGT turbo, full stainless 304 exhaust, downpipe pack. I mean,
yeah, you'll have to come by the booth and check out the 6.7 pipes. We got all the intakes, all the tubing, and everything. Yeah. It's never been seen. Not even a part number on it.
Well, let's
get it happening.
Let's get this stuff off here and let's get
304 stainless.
Yeah, let's do it.
Then we got rear diff cover too, and what else?
I mean, everything like American Force. They're a big
These are
supporter.
30-inch wheels.
Yeah, you got the 30x16 Regals, polished, custom
coated
powder in the back.
Wow, that is very nice.
Yeah. So, I mean, just everything. I mean, on the frame, our frame overlays, they're 4 layers. You got the base layers, stainless.
The shock towers.
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
I mean, everything. So.
And that rear PP diff cover came out nice. You even coated over the. Yeah, that's so nice. Instead of just leaving them milled, that just really kicks it off.
We swapped those out for stainless button heads.
Gosh, you're just flexing on us there.
So we match everywhere here, all over the truck.
We like that.
I mean, like, if you look, you'll see like the F and Fast bolt covers everywhere.
Yep. I like how you didn't do them pointed either.
Yeah.
It takes them away,
Yeah.
We'll have to get you a PP one up here.
All right, we'll get one up there.
American Force, that looks cool.
Yeah. I mean, like the entire bottom side of the bed and the cab has all been color matched. I mean, these rock lights, these are new from Rhino Lights. They're a small company in Charlotte, and they're full billet housings.
Very clean.
They're phenomenal.
They're low pro and cylinder. They look really nice.
It has a single bolt in the center.
Where's the fuel tank?
The fuel tank is in the bed. The fuel cell is in the bed, along with all of our air management, our compressors, everything like that. Right now, it's a mess up there. So,
it's like, where's this thing running from?
Yeah. No. And then like all of our air lines and brake lines and ABS wires.
You can't see nothing.
Yeah. So it's all AN fittings and all hard lines up underneath the upper arms.
And it's all ran up here just like a big tractor. It has actual hard lines. That's just wild.
Yeah.
And upgraded brakes and everything.
Yep.
Well, what else?
Brakes.
What are some of the hard things that you had to overcome?
I think the hardest thing was just getting it together. I mean,
hitting the deadline,
picking the design, and like this is something that like me and my guys we haven't seen it before, and that was the whole thing with us building this truck. We didn't want to do the same old thing, and so like the guys, I mean, they sat around in the office for a couple days I mean, more than a couple days, probably a week or so, trying to come up with ideas. So like, this is our Rival Fab Gucci print, and these are full floating inlays inside of the arms,
So
the
they're
cradle,
interchangeable.
everything. There is no bolts holding them in; they're floating in there. So,
Oh, okay.
we haven't seen that done before. So,
Wow.
yeah.
No kidding.
Yep.
And so, can you change those out if you take it apart, or
We
no?
can.
It's not. It is.
Yes,
It's able.
but we're
to
not
do
going
that.
to tell you how we do it.
Yeah, exactly.
So-
That's secrets.
Yes.
Secrets. You can't tell everybody's all their
But,
secrets.
Yeah. I
Wow,
mean,
you guys did an amazing job on this build. To be honest, it's really, really amazing.
last Thursday we finished this at like 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's
Got
what you said.
Loaded it up on the trailer, drove all the way here from North Carolina.
And
So
then hit the hotel and
Yep.
fell asleep.
Yep. So I mean, there's a
Different-
few things that we're gonna take it back, change it up. LST, there'll be some noticeable changes.
Okay,
to
yeah,
it.
you'll be there.
So yeah, it'll be there. Hopefully we'll have the interior done by then. But I mean, there's not an ounce of this truck that is not touched.
Oh,
So
clearly. Yeah, so if
Um,
anyone wants to see it, LST will be its next
yes.
experience.
it will be at LST. If not, come by the shop, check it out. We're there 6 days a week.
State Line Diesel.
It'll be there.
And where are you guys located?
We're just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, in
Okay.
Rock Hill, South Carolina, just
Didn't-
across the line.
Didn't get washed away.
No,
Thank
we did
God.
not. I mean, that was a
For
that was a
all those
rough
people.
that was a rough time. I
Yeah.
feel like the guys over at American Force. I mean, we partnered up with them, and while we were building this truck, we had our hauler running back and forth, running loads up to the mountains
For
of
people.
donations and whatnot.
Good for
and
you
so,
guys. God bless you guys.
No, I mean, my guys, they rallied around. I mean, I'm getting goosebumps about it. but
yeah,
I mean,
no,
like,
seriously.
we all have family up there in the mountains and whatnot, and so
It's tough.
I mean, it's really sad that it's not getting more attention because it's decimated.
Oh,
Like,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
unrecognizable.
yeah,
and
yeah.
So gonna
Yeah, hopefully those people are getting what they need.
exactly. So, but
Well, good for you to be a part of that too as well. Like,
Yeah, man, I
and
mean,
getting this done.
it was an undertaking. I mean, we got 2 trucks here. We got one over in the
really?
carbon booth. Yeah, it's a brand new Chevy. It's a 2024 Chevy 3500 silver wheel.
Awesome. I'll have to look at that.
Built that for our buddy Sal over at Team Billet, and we were doing both of these simultaneously. And then on top of doing that, I mean, the guys, they were 6 days a week, 18 hours a day. I mean, this is a labor of
Yeah,
love for them.
it
so,
is.
Like
I love that.
I said, like this was their vision, and I mean, I just helped them organize it and orchestrate it, and we it's a representation of every single person in the shop. So
Well, it clearly shows.
yeah,
Well, thanks for taking the time. I
Hey,
appreciate
absolutely,
it.
man.
If anybody wants to come check out this wicked build, come check it out at SEMA 2024 here.
Yeah, man.
Right outside the Central Hall. You can also come check out our PP booth. I believe we're 21351 booth number, Central Hall. Come check us out here. Thanks.
Funny thing, you know.